Have you ever imagined a world where your clothes are made not by a seamstress, but by a machine? Well, welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing in sewing. It's a cutting-edge technology that's revolutionizing the fashion industry, and it's more accessible than you might think. So, what exactly is 3D printing in sewing? At its core, it's the process of using a 3D printer to create clothing. Instead of traditional methods like cutting fabric and stitching pieces together, 3D printing builds garments layer by layer, using materials like flexible plastics, polymers, and even fabrics. This allows for incredibly intricate designs and a level of customization that's simply impossible with conventional sewing. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing in sewing is the design freedom it offers. Designers can create complex shapes, textures, and patterns. That would be incredibly difficult or time-consuming to achieve by hand. This opens up new possibilities for experimentation and innovation, leading to unique and eye-catching garments. But it's not just about aesthetics. 3D printing also offers practical advantages. It can reduce waste, as materials are used only where needed. It can also streamline the production process, potentially leading to faster and more efficient manufacturing. And because designs can be easily customized, it opens up the possibility of truly personalized clothing, tailored to individual body shapes and preferences. Of course, 3D printing in sewing is still a relatively new technology, and there are challenges to overcome. The cost of 3D printers and materials can be high, and the printing process can sometimes be slow. However, as the technology advances and becomes more affordable, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this field. So, whether you're a fashion enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or simply curious about the future of clothing, 3D printing in sewing is definitely worth keeping an eye on. It's a technology that's poised to change the way we think about fashion, and it's already making waves in the industry. Who knows, maybe one day, your next outfit will be printed right in your own home.